Hi beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What's happening in your twin flame relationship? Yes friends, so we'll see what is happening in your twin flame, how your divine masculine feminine is feeling about you. Friends, do subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, do subscribe, like and share if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you so much. If you have already subscribed, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out and it will bring you the guidance you need. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwendstarot.com. So let's begin. Let's take a deep breath. Choose option 1, this beautiful pink leaf. Option 2, this beautiful yellow leaf. Option 3, this beautiful magenta leaf. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I'll leave the timestamps friends in the comment section below so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. We also have the love scrolls friends from Luz for your message from your divine masculine or feminine. So you can choose more than one pile also friends. Yes. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful sparkly glittery pink leaf, what is happening in your twin flame relationship? This is your romance angels. Let's see. We'll look at these cards in just a while. The King of Swords, the 5 of Cups, the 6 of Pentacles, also the 5 of Pentacles, 5-5. The Hierophant, again number 5. The King of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Alrighty. I feel like currently, there is a lot going on in this connection. Your cards are the Darkest Fear, number 9. See, expected. Just Breathe, number 4. I feel your twin flame could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or friends, you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel friends, your twin flame is not feeling happy. You both are feeling very disappointed with each other. You are feeling like, you feel very unhappy and your twin flame is feeling very disappointed. They are feeling regret. They are feeling shame. They are feeling a lot of pain. Absolutely. I feel this person is crying over you. Your twin flame is crying over you. They are trying to change something. They are at a distance from you. I feel there is an age gap between you, or you both, I feel there is an age gap and difference of culture and issues regarding tradition. What is right for you is not right for your twin flame. What is right for them is not feels right for you. So it is like a conflict. I feel there is definitely the energy they left you out, or you had left them out, and you both are suffering. I feel you both are not in contact, or you have recently had a breakup. And I feel you both are suffering. This is 5-5. See, mirror energy. Again 5. Definitely, you both are not feeling at all happy. You feel sad or you feel unhappy, but your twin flame, masculine or feminine, whoever they are feeling shame. They are feeling regret. They are crying. They are feeling left out. I feel some of you could have chosen another person, or they have chosen another person, and I feel it is causing them a lot of regret. If this person has chosen another person, or a relationship, or work, or maybe their job, I think, or education, this person, your twin flame, isn't happy. They are missing you like anything. And I think they feel so much passion towards you. They want to move towards you. They want to express their love to you. They want to come and grab you, but something is stopping them because it seems unethical to them, because maybe you are married, or they are married, or you both are married, or they are in a different commitment. I also feel you both may be working as colleagues or as boss, so it is like a conflict, you know. If you approach them and tell your feelings, it might be like something is stopping you. It is tradition. I think this person, your twin flame, could be very young than you. They could be a student. They could be studying in a university, higher education, college, or you both are students. I also feel you could be like a teacher student relationship or a same sex relationship for some of you. So there is something which is stopping you, and it is the tradition. It is that you need to do things in the right way. You need to do justice. You need to do things rightly. I think you are very confident. Our viewers are very confident. You are very communicative. But I feel your twin flame is struggling to communicate, to show and reveal their true self. They are also struggling to make a move towards you, and that is exactly what you want to want them to do, like make a move towards you and help you. But I think they are at a dark place. They are at a dark place. I think some of them could be actually having therapy or getting some emotional support or some sort of a health issue your twin flame is going through. I feel like I see them in a hospital. Maybe they have cold or flu, or someone in their family is ill, or maybe they are married so their partner is ill. I don't know. I see them somewhere in a hospital or institution like area. I feel they are suffering, but your twin flame is suffering. They are crying. They want to be this man or this woman in your eyes. They want to have your respect, your love, your passion. They are moving slowly towards you. Absolutely big changes are coming in this relationship of yours, in your twin flame connection. But I think you are losing your patience in some way. I feel like you are losing your patience. You are like, no, this will never change. I think it will. It will change because this person is moving towards you, and they have already started the movement, but they are moving very slowly because of some other issues. Or they also feel like you may have other person, or they may have other person. They are also, some of your twin flames are suffering. They are going through dark fears, anxiety. I think our viewers could also be feeling it. They might also be getting anxious, sleepless nights. So you might be wondering why I can't sleep at night. What is going on? Why I feel so irritated? Why I feel so nervous? Because I think your twin flame is going through that. And you are mirroring each other, because here is 5, again a king and king. You are mirroring your twin flame. And what does it mean? You are feeling as exactly like your twin flame, and it's making you frustrated because you feel them, they feel you, but like something is blocking right now. But I think they are on their path towards you. It's 9, so something is going to shift in this connection. 9 and 5, 9 is about completion, 5 is about positive changes. I feel this person, I think you also need to see them in a different way. Your twin flame, I think you might be very harsh with your twin flame, or you judge them for leaving you, letting you down, or ghosting you, or choosing or they chose someone else, or you chose someone else. So you both need to forgive each other and soften yourself or your views, and just breathe. I think I think right now it's the time, it's the perfect thing to do for your twin flame connection, is just breathe, relax. You are both connected. They are not going anywhere. You are also feeling the restlessness, they are also feeling it. But it is, I think the next 2 to 3 months will be very important for you, because this connection is going to heal, it is going to recover, and you may see them coming turning into this, from the knight into this king. So they are working, they are progressing. Your twin flame is progressing, and so are you. You also need to keep your heart open. It is always, twin flames are always about, what you can do and what they can do. It's never about them only. You need to shift your perspective from this past to the present. You need to be balanced and open hearted. I think this person, your twin flame, will mature up. They will turn into this King of Wands. They will make a passionate move towards you. They just need some time, because I feel this person is going through healing. They are going through recovery, and also they need to finish some study or some career or some goal. Maybe they are a lawyer or a doctor, so they are very busy right now, so they can't come towards you. It's affecting your connection, but I think they will heal it and come towards you. Just breathe. You see, you're mirroring each other. They are definitely here, and you are like, is it true? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's see your romance angels messages, and then we are gonna see the love scrolls from your twin flame. Retreat. It is time to disconnect from the world. So absolutely, friends, I told you this is the time to take a step back from this relationship, because it's right on the track. You both are moving towards marriage, towards commitment or stability in this partnership. You have already reached this king. I feel they are going to shift or transform. It's just a matter of time, but I think meanwhile you need to take a step back, relax, enjoy life. And I will pull another romance angels. Just a second, let me grab it. Alrighty, so all my decks are, let me just they were a little far away. I want to pull another card for you, because we have the retreat. So you might either spend quality time like together or with each other, or away from each other, like just, relaxing, taking time apart and enjoying things, enjoying the past memories. For pile number one, what's the future of your twin flame connection for pile one? Okay, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So I definitely feel this person, your twin flame, or you could be about to express your love, or if you give them time, I think things are going to work out and they will automatically express. Let's see your love scrolls messages from pile number one from their twin flame. All right, let's see. Oops. A meeting, a phone call will change everything. Wow, this is interesting. So definitely express your love. Someone may come towards you, make a move, your twin flame, they will call you, or you will meet them by chance. It will change everything. There is 3-5, so positive changes are coming in this connection. You are my song. Wow, this is beautiful. So maybe your twin flame is an artist, or you both are artists, or they are creative, and there is a song between you and them. I feel like the John Legend song All of Me loves all of you. I think because you both are perfect one, mirrors, both are one. So I think that song is important. All of Me by John Legend, or Ed Sheeran's Perfect. I'm getting those two songs. A phone call. Oh my god, this is twice now. Definitely some of they are, or you may call them or message them or text them. I think this person is definitely a phone call. A meeting will change your life. You are my song. Okay. And good news will come soon. So definitely good news is coming soon for you in this connection. And can we go back to the happy days? I told you this, your twin flame is missing you. They are crying over you. This person can't live without you. And can we go back to the old days? I want to protect you for life. This person wants marriage. This person wants marriage, commitment, friendship, everything with you. And I got 2 scrolls in it. Wow, that's interesting. I desire you. See, this person feels so passionate about you. When they think about you, your twin flame, they are all in their passion. They are this brave person. They are this bold, ambitious, passionate king. But when they think practically of this connection, they become suddenly scary, nervous, and they feel like you will reject them if they come back or something like that. Please stay with me forever. See, this person is scared. You may they are losing you, or you may walk away from them, or you have already. I want to kiss you. This is beautiful, friends. This person definitely loves you. They still think about you, and there is a strong chance of them coming back. So, friends, that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvendstarot.com. Join our Instagram is Magic Vends Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful yellow leaf, let us see what's happening in your twin flame connection. What are your divine masculine feminine feeling and love messages, love scrolls from them. Let's look at the end. And this, let's see, this is your romance angels card. Let's see, we're gonna pull them in the later while. Page of Cups, interesting. The Queen of Swords, the Devil, ooh my god. Interesting. Let's keep it like this. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vends Tarot and click the bell icon. Some people were saying that they have subscribed but not getting the notifications. Friends, you have to click the bell icon so you get the notification every time I post a reading. I post every day 3-4 videos a day. So yeah, subscribe friends. It keeps me motivated and it keeps the channel. It helps the channel if you like the video also. And it helps friends, it helps a lot. It helps in other people also getting these free readings. 8 of Swords, 7 of Cups, the 3 of Wands and the Hermit. Wow, you have already 2 major arcanas. Let's see these cards also. Simply Love, number 6, reach out. Oh my god. Friends, I feel like your twin flame could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or your twin flame, divine masculine, feminine, could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel there is a very strong Capricorn energy. They could be an earth sign, but maybe not, or maybe. But maybe they have some planets in Earth. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo or Taurus because we do have the Hermit. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus also. But I feel they have a lot of water energy also, like their sun, or not their sun but their Venus or moon sign or rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Definitely your twin flame is quite an emotional person. I feel you are feeling very restricted in this relationship. You find your twin flame, or this currently you are feeling like there is no escape from this relationship. You feel tied down with this person, this connection, and you feel like you want to break free. It is becoming a toxic connection for some of you, or you feel like this person is toxic for you because it's just emotional. It's just either too much emotions or too much passion. So it's like you feel like this is a toxic, you are chained to them. You have tried to move on, but then you cannot. Somehow you keep constantly thinking about this person, your twin flame. I feel why this is happening, why you constantly think about your twin flame, because I feel your twin flame is constantly thinking about you. They are trying to make a move towards you. They are trying to evaluate their options, their choices, their moves. You are on their mind. They are like, which way to go, which way to go, which way to go. Oh my god, they are like shaking. I feel them like shaking. My god. I also feel this person could be at a distance from you, or like physical distance. You live in different countries, so they might want to move towards you, or meet, or relocate in some way. Or I also feel like you could be this relationship could be forbidden in some way, like you are either same sex relationship, or maybe there is a lot of age gap, so you feel this isn't the right relationship, or it's a taboo relationship or something like that. Even if there is no age gap, you feel a level of maturity difference in each other. Like this person is always very romantic. They are very, very loving, your twin flame. You feel like they could be a flirt or something like that. or they are emotionally like they come into your life but then they go away, keeping you stuck in this connection. This person wants to spend the weekend but doesn't isn't there when things get tough. So it's like, what is going on? I feel some of you may not be in communication with this person, but you just cannot stop thinking about your twin flame, and they cannot also stop thinking about you. I feel you could be watching each other's social media, especially Facebook and Instagram or WhatsApp. I definitely see you both are keeping an eye on each other. I also feel there could be a family member or some other thing blocking this connection or trying to divert, maybe an ex-girlfriend or boyfriend, or some past there is some past issue or addiction that's affecting your twin flame. And I feel your twin flame is also addicted towards you, like they cannot forget you, and they want to move towards you but they don't know what to choose right now. They have too many choices, or they feel like if they move towards you, you will not accept them. I don't know why they feel like you will not accept them. It's like they feel like you. I think our viewers are very, very vocal, very communicative. You are very strong in your willpower, your emotions. So this, your twin flame is like scared of you, I feel. They can't forget you. They want this passion with you. They want to kiss you, hug you, but then they feel chained, and you also feel chained, and you don't want that, but they want to move towards you, but they feel like if they come, you will reject them. They still want to make a move towards you. They are waiting. They are almost like typing and sending that message, but then right on the send, they pull their hand back, and it's like, no, should I or shouldn't I? I also feel this person is thinking a lot. They are trying to mature up a lot because they do understand that. I think you have told your twin flame something recently or in the past, some truth, some harsh truth, that see you are toxic, or see you are just immature, or see you need to grow up, or do you need to be emotionally be here. I think this person is taking their time and trying to process that what you have said. I also feel this person and you have not been in contact with each other, but you are waiting, but there is this unending push and attraction. I feel this person thinks about you, dreams about you in the night, every night. I feel this person is going through some addictions. Maybe they are drinking a lot, or they are not taking action. It has become an addiction to them. They are chained to their past, or they are chained to just being a casual person, or they are commitment phobic, and it has become a partner, not partner, it has become a pattern in their life. I feel that they feel chained. They feel stuck. There is some sort of a addiction going on. Maybe they have too much anger, or they are emotionally, or I feel this person withdraw emotionally, like a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. They just withdraw. When things get bad, this person withdraw, your twin flame. I think they are trying to fix that thing. They are trying to open their heart. I also feel this person doesn't communicate. Like all these cards are in their mind, they are not communicating. They want to open their heart and reach out to you. Number three, I think this person needs to take baby steps. They want to take baby steps towards you, your twin flame, because I feel they are an old soul. They are very wise, you both are, but I think like this person is going through some addictions or some sort of a pattern right now, and it's affecting them. So they want to come towards you, but they need baby steps, they need to open their heart one by one, not like all of a sudden or all together, all out in one go. No. And they definitely want to tell you how much they love you, because they have the simply love. So this connection is going in the right direction, and definitely there could be a chance this person is married, or you are married, or there is a question regarding marriage or having kids or something like that. Maybe this person is in another relationship, and like they still want to be with you. So it's kind of a addiction, like they want to fix it. I feel this person loves you a lot. Your twin flame loves you a lot. They feel this you are this sunshine in their life, and they want to have a commitment, a family with you. I definitely see this connection will improve, and if you are waiting for a message from them, I do feel there will be a chance because they want to reach out to you. Let's see your romance angels messages. Romantic feelings, your feelings are worth and real and worth exploring. I think some of you are doubting if this person ever loved you, your twin flame, or do they still love you? Yes, they do, and they do want to reach out to you also. Let's see your twin flames message for pile 2. The twin flames message for pile 2. This one dropped out. Let's see what they want to tell you. I miss you so much. I told you, friends, this person is really missing you. I think they are crying in the night and they feel like chained, and you both feel chained to each other. Like you just can't forget them, they can't forget you. I will marry you. See, I told you there is something about marriage. I will marry you, so they definitely want to have kids and a perfect family with you. I remember everything. I think some of you were questioning, has they forgotten? Me, I don't think so. They have. They can't forget you, obviously. Reunite with me. See, I think this person wants to reach out to you, but they are scared they might be rejected or you might not accept them back. Triggers, you trigger me. Oh my god. I told you this person may be anxious or depressed or going through some mental issues. No wonder the entire world is suffering from it. Mental issues, emotional anxiety. Let's send them some blessings. I had been weak before. Wow. They definitely feel they didn't they were like not strong before. They were like they were not this hermit. They were not this wise before as they are now. They were a little kiddish or immature in the past. They regret that. Unblock me, please. Ooh. They want you to unblock them, or maybe you. I feel you also want. They have also blocked you. This could be a blocking sign. They have also blocked you. Wow, I think the good things are going to happen in this connection. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for option number 3, who chose this beautiful magenta leaf, let's see what's happening in your twin flame connection, friends. This is your romance angels messages. Let's see your cards. Wow, the Knight of Wands, the 10 of Wands, fire, ooh baby. Page of Pentacles, ooh la la, the money, and love, Queen of Cups, the World, ooh la la. And the 9 of Cups, number 6, the Love, and Heal, number 17 in reverse. Oh my god. I feel your twin flame could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, friends, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Virgo or Taurus. I'm feeling a very strong Virgo or Taurus. Maybe they are Capricorn. But our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel your twin flame is really connecting with your power, your love. They see you as, whether you are male or female, it doesn't matter. Your twin flame is seeing that you have a very gentle heart. You are very caring. You are very loving. They feel very attracted towards you. And if you are a man, they feel very drawn. They feel like you can protect them. You can give them what they need. You are the perfect person that completes them. So it's very amazing how they feel. Your twin flame is currently feeling a lot of respect for you, and they want to give you all the things in life. They want to, I feel there has been an ending in this connection, or you both are not at talking terms, no contact. It's been an old relationship, maybe 8 years, 10 years, or maybe 3 4 years old, and you are not in contact or not talking much. It's very on and off. I feel this person wants to come towards you. They want to step out of their comfort zone, and they want to come towards you and give you all the happiness and love that you deserve. I think this person knows how hard you are working. I think your twin flame really appreciates how hard our viewers are working on your craft, on your career, or whatever you are doing. They see your hard work, whether you have worked on their relationship or something. They know you have worked very hard and you deserve everything, and they want to give you this 9 of cups of happiness. And I think for some of you, I think this person, you could have been in a third party. They may have put you in a third party. Like maybe they are in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and someone tried to come in between you both. Or I feel there could be someone, like maybe it is work, or maybe some other cousin, friend, lover, ex-husband, wife, someone trying to interfere. Maybe their education is coming in between. I feel there is a definite age gap between you both. I don't know why, but I feel your twin flame could be having sexuality issues, or like there is some confusion. I feel they were a little playful when they were first meeting you in the past, or they were like this passionate night, or they were like they were very focused on their passion. And this connection, you may have been friends, or like you started as best friends or something like that. They still remember the happy days, they still want to go to that. but i think you but I think somewhere I think it went bad, because of you felt like they are very frivolous, they don't care, they are just about passion, they just have no seriousness, they are playing like games with you, mind games with you. There was a third party, or there is a third party. It could be work, it could be money issues, it could be family issues, it could be education stepping in between you and both. But I feel they want to overcome it. There's definite something stopping you and them, maybe distance. I feel it's a third situation, like country, family, money, whatever I told you, right? But they want to change it, they want to change it, they just can't. They can't forget how the way things ended and what was in the past. You had this 9 of cups. They want to come towards you, they want to make you very very happy, they want to offer you and promise you their love. This connection is ascending, I definitely feel that. And some sort of a stability will come. I feel this was an on and off connection, like this person was a little flighty, impulsive. They come and go, they come and go, like they quickly change their thoughts. It's like, it's like they are very very fast, very fast, and you are very calm and gentle. You are opposites. Our viewers are calm, gentle, loving, caring, or maybe you were at that point of time when you were together. I feel like something needs to change or heal in this connection, and your twin flame is trying, or you both are trying to work on it, but it is in reverse. So I think like they are resisting this change. Something needs to change for you and them to meet, and your twin flame is currently resisting it. I feel like they are focusing on their money, they are focusing on their education, or becoming, or like maybe another person. But I think that needs to change, because it's time now. It's time or maybe they are just not stepping out of their comfort zone. That's what I feel. It's like they need to step out of their comfort zone and take this leap of faith towards you, but they are not taking it. Because if they do take, there is this 9 of cups of happiness for both of you. And you are ready, our divine masculine, feminine, our viewers, you are ready, or giving, you have reached your level. You are waiting for them, you are receptive, you are open, you are doing good in your life. If not, you will be very soon. I think you have done your healing, you have stepped out of your comfort zone. But I feel like your twin flame is trying to resist this change. They are going to get the clarity, and number 17 might be important. I feel August, the coming, or any years, August or July is important. Let us see your love message. worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. I told you, friends, this person is resisting, and maybe there is a reason why they are not healing yet, or why they have not contacted you, because I feel they want to. It's like half of their body or aura is already merged with you, but something, or a little is, something is blocking or holding, keeping them back. Their heart wants to move towards you, but something is keeping them back because they have not yet healed or released the past situations. And you will have to wait because divine timing is at work in your love life. This connection is very strong. This is an old connection or a very strong friendships and twin flame connection. This is like they want to come charge ahead into your life. Another message also, because you have the waiting card. So what will the future have for... See, this could be the one. I think you are going to get married with your twin flame, or there will be talks of marriage and commitment. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. I feel your twin flame is working on their money, on their education, or healing a past issue, because they want to marry you. They want to become your equal. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's see the love scrolls for you from your twin flame. I also feel they are working to open their heart also. This person doesn't open their heart as much as you do, or as easily as you do. I want to meet you now. See, that's why the Knight of Wands. They just want to come and grab you and, dance with you or sing with you. I don't know what you all do. I think this is a very playful twin flame connection. A text message will bring love. So maybe you have messaged them, or they will message you. I want to kiss you. That's beautiful. And I want to kiss you again. See, there are like 2 or 3 of them, and they all came together. This person is very passionate about you. You also love them a lot. You look at their pictures. I think you look at their pictures. This year love will be ours, so definitely they are planning a move, strategizing. And twin flame, this is a confirmation. Yes, if you are doubting, is this person your twin flame? Yes, they are your twin flame, absolutely. Love and best friends. Oh my goodness gracious, goosebumps. See, I didn't pull the charms or this love scroll. I can't see what's written here. You can see. And look, I told you, best friends and lovers. And yes, exactly exactly what your twin flame said. So I'm listening properly, connecting with your twin flame. A new start is coming. Wow, see, something needs to end or finish or heal in this thing, in their life or yours, and then it will be better. Coffee date, they are going to call you for a coffee date. New lover who is sweet and kind. So maybe you are going for a new lover, or they have a new lover but they want to move away from them. Reunite with me. Oh, that's beautiful. And marriage in 2 years. See, I told you, this person wants commitment. That's beautiful. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye.